Hey guys, welcome back to another new video of Professor Cards English, and we are talking about the most loved and hated credit card in India. That is American Express's Platinum Travel, Gold Charge, MRCC, and there are two more cards on the higher end side and one card on the lower end side. We are going to discuss all of them, but primarily for Platinum Travel, MRCC, Gold Charge, whether you should consider this renewal or not, that is the question, and we are going to answer. So at the end of the video, if you have seen till the end, you will be able to answer your query whether you want to continue this or not. However, to clarify, I'll definitely recommend you to watch our Cathay Pacific video on our Professor Cards channel, and if you are a member, definitely watch the new uploaded video on our members only video, which is the sweet spot for the cheat code for Cathay Pacific redemptions. So these two videos will help you out in deciding whether these cards are to be continued or not, and believe me, they are going to. So let's start with the American Express Platinum Travel Card. Now Platinum Travel Card is not being issued anymore. However, the question right now is whether you want to renew it or not for the next year, because the charges are very high. So the first year it is 5,000 plus GST, second year onwards 5,000 plus GST, and a lot of the people have their renewal coming in the next month, and the people have already started closing them down as well. So for this card, I will say you should continue with this card for a simple reason that when you spend 4 lakh on this, you get 40,000 membership reward points, and 40,000 membership reward points can easily fetch you an airfare worth rupees 30 to 35,000. What are the examples? I'll just show you in front of you. So as you can see, if we want to go from India to South Korea, India to Japan, India to Philippines, India to Indonesia, India to Bali, India to Singapore. So these Southeast Asian countries are on the top of your hit list. If you spend 4 lakh on your Platinum Travel Card, you will be able to travel any one of these countries. Like one side of the fare will be free, and I'll just give you an example. We are not going to waste a lot of time on. So if you take a flight like Virgin Airlines, your fare will be somewhere around 17,000, 18,000. But if you take a better flight like so you have 30,000 worth of value for the 40,000 points you get, because 20,000 is the requirement plus some taxes of 3 to 4,000. If we see one stop, then we will have a lot of options, including the Virgin ones, which you can see. From Vietjet. If you see Cathay, we can get the ticket for 30,000 rupees. So minimum for 40,000 miles, you can fetch a ticket worth 30,000. That is in itself a good option. At least you will be able to visit Japan and similar countries which I just told you for the amount. But it's not only that. Apart from that, you get a 10,000 rupees Taj voucher on renewal. So that will again compensate some of the agony you will have for the 5,000 rupees. Plus the base rewards you get. So for base reward, if you normally spend 4 lakh rupees, you get 8,000 base reward point. But if you use rewards multiplier, you can get up to 24,000, because you get 3 times more reward points on that. So the total reward points, if you spend 4 lakh on your Platinum Travel Card, so you will end up getting somewhere around 64,000 reward points. 64,000 reward points will convert to 32,000 Cathay Pacific miles, or you can convert it to 64,000 Marriott points. So if you want to stay in a good 5-star hotel, you can use your Marriott points. If you want to fly to Japan, you can use your Cathay Pacific points. So again, a good option to have. So Platinum Travel Card, definitely you should consider. However, if you can't spend 4 lakh, then it does not make a lot of sense, and you should not consider this card if you can't spend 4 lakh on this. So this is my verdict on this card. Let's talk about the second card. Now, membership reward card is the only card which I will absolutely ask you to keep with you, because for simple reason there are two milestones and fee waiver at 1.5 lakh spends. So when you spend 20,000 on this card per month, you get 1,000 miles, plus when you do 4 transactions of 1,500, so you get 1,000 miles. So 24,000 miles you get as a bonus. Plus if you spend the 20,000, like 2.4 lakh, you can easily get around 4,800 miles on base, and if you use it on rewards multiplier, you can get up to 9,600. So all in all, 24,000 plus up to 9,600 comes out to be somewhere around 33,600 membership reward points, which will convert to 17,800 reward points. So 17,800 miles will definitely, fetch you again for some more miles from the Platinum Travel. You can get a flight ticket to Japan for you. So Platinum and Plat Travel for your ticket, and MRCC for your better half's ticket. So you both can go to Japan or Philippines for this amount, and you will have some miles left for Marriott bookings over there. Apart from that, the other thing is its fee waiver is there, so this card will be within your pocket without any extra expense. So this is like 2 tickets for Southeast Asia travel, pretty decent. There are other places as well. I'm talking about these 2 places because we just these are the easiest to catch on to. Now the third card is the most tricky one, and it is the Gold Charge card. Now this card, first year free was 1,000, second year onwards is 4,500, and there is no renewal benefits as of now. However, considering the low amount of spends on this card, that is 19, you can gain up to 19,200 membership reward points on spending only 72,000 rupees, because you have to do 1,000 transactions 72 times. So 6 transactions every month, you will get 19,200 membership reward points plus the initial 4,000 benefit if you consider that. Otherwise, for renewal, some people have said that they will get 5,000 reward points on this. So all in all, you can get a good one of the highest rate of returns in terms of membership reward points on this. But if you convert it into Marriott points, you get 19,000 approx Marriott points. If you convert it into air miles, you get 9,000 air miles. So you finally get 9,000 air miles on spending on the renewal fees of 4,500 plus GST. Whether it makes sense, I can't justify. So if you can justify that on your own terms, you can get this card, because there is a lot of hassle of getting 6 vouchers every time from the rewards multiplier program, the gift vouchers and everything, and then you have to keep doing that. So a more hectic card, I must say, and you should not consider renewing this card, including me. So what are the other cards? So you have Platinum Reserve card, which you should avoid. Platinum Charge card, which you should avoid. One card which you can keep or transfer is to Smart Earn, because it will give you some accelerated reward points on some preferred merchants such as Amazon, Flipkart, Uber, BookMyShow, Zomato, EaseMyTrip, and renewal benefit is only on 40,000 in the previous spend. Apart from that, you get 500 cashback on the new application which is there, but you can get 500 vouchers each on spending 1.2, 1.8 and 2.4 lakh. So that is why you can get this card, and you basically get 10x reward points on Zomato, Ajio, Nykaa, BookMyShow, Uber for every 50 rupees spent. So basically you get 20 reward points over there, but there is a limit. When you spend 2,500 on your 10x partner, that is on Zomato, you earn 500 reward points. When you spend 2,500 on your 10x partner, BookMyShow, Flipkart, Uber and others, you will get 500 reward points. When you spend 2,500 on Amazon, you get 250 reward points. So the maximum accelerated reward points is 1,250 only, and 1,250 is we can get by spending 7,500. So that means that if you spend 90,000 in a year on this card, your fee gets waived off, and you get somewhere around 15,000 membership reward points. So all in all, it's decent, but the partners are restrictive. So you can consider, because the charges are less than 40,000, you get the Wavier. So in that sense, this card will make a bit more sense as compared to your other card that was a gold charge. So let's for redemptions of this in the Asia Mile direction, I have already uploaded the video on there. It's in Hindi so that everyone can understand. And at the end of the day, I must say, like American Express membership, you should continue your flat travel because it's the best card they have right now. However, the membership reward card, again, you have to, because you can get a fee waiver or 1.5 lakh, but gold charge it is not recommended. And being the only like the second partner apart from SBI Miles Elite card and the other Miles card, this is the only partner which can give you Asia Miles for if the requirement is there. So that is why I will recommend you these cards as in the order which I just suggested. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe. If you have not watched the Coffee with Credit Cards video on my other channel, you should, and help us reach 32,000 subscribers over here. 10,000 subscribers on our Hindi channel Professor Cards, and 10,000 followers on our Twitter handle, that is Professor Cards. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Let's see each other again on a later day. Take care, bye bye, see you, and Jai Hind.